Before buying a cow milking machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many options look similar, but the real differences can be hidden in the details. Let's dive into the top 5 choices that can genuinely make your milking process easier. Product number 1, Hontop 12L Pro Milker. First up is the Hontop 12L Cow Milking Machine, priced at $189.99. This rechargeable pulsation pump milker caught my attention with its promise of time and labor savings. If you want an efficient way to milk your cows while minimizing stress for them, this is worth a serious look. What sets this milking machine apart is its pulsating cycle, which operates at 43 to 46 times per minute, effectively cutting your milking time in half. This means less hassle for you and more comfort for your cows, thanks to its reinforced pulsation system that mimics natural milking techniques. Plus, the SUS304 stainless steel bucket is not only durable, but also safe for your milk. It can hold 12 liters, which is great for moderate-sized farms. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The auto-stop feature prevents milk from flowing into the pump when it's full, which means no spills and no mess. The 13,200 milliamp hours lithium battery allows for extended use, and the easy installation takes less than 15 seconds. Honestly, every feature seems designed to make your life easier. Now, some people complained about its weight at 10.12 pounds, which would be a bit heavy for some. Here's the thing though, if you're milking multiple cows, that weight might be a small price to pay for the efficiency you gain. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable machine that offers a blend of portability and performance. Skip this one if you're looking for a machine that's ultra-light and easy to carry around all day. For the price, you're getting a solid value that can save you time and effort in the long run. Now, if the weight of the Hontop 12L bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Hontop 12L Classic Milker. Next on our list is another option from Hontop, their 12L plug-in pulsation pump milker, available for $165.99. This model stands out for its classic design and ease of use, making it perfect for beginners. If you want a straightforward machine that gets the job done without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. Like the Pro version, this milker operates at 43 to 46 pulsations per minute, again helping save time and labor. The check valve is a great addition, preventing any milk overflow, which keeps your milking area clean and efficient. Made from the same SUS304 stainless steel, it also ensures durability and safety for your milk. What's interesting here is the pure copper wire motor, which enhances durability and performance. It's designed for easy cleaning too, with included brushes that help maintain hygiene. This could be a game changer for those who worry about cleanliness in their milking routine. However, some users mentioned that the motor can get a bit noisy during operation. But honestly, if you're milking cows, a little noise might not be a deal breaker compared to the time saved. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-frills milking machine that's easy to operate. Skip it if you're looking for something with extensive features or advanced technology. For the price, it offers solid performance and peace of mind. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more powerful electric experience. Product number 3, Vever Electric Milking Machine. The Vever Electric Cow Milking Machine is our next pick, priced at $284.46. This one really caught my eye with its promise of freeing up your hands during milking. If you're tired of uncomfortable milking sessions, this is worth a serious look. What's impressive about this milker is its powerful 550W motor that operates at 60 to 80 times per minute. This speed not only saves you time, but also maintains the natural rhythm of milking that cows prefer, which can lead to higher milk yields. The adjustable vacuum pressure from 45 to 50 kilopascals means you can customize the experience to keep your cows comfortable and stress-free. The 6.6-gallon stainless steel bucket is another highlight, ensuring that the milk stays fresh and uncontaminated. The portability aspect is also taken care of, with a sturdy steel cart and wheels that make it easy to move around your farm. Honestly, this machine seems designed for serious dairy operations. On the downside, It's quite heavy at 61 pounds, which might be a challenge for some. However, if you're serious about milking and need something robust, the weight might just reflect its durability. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an efficient, powerful machine for larger operations. Skip this one if you need a lightweight option that's easy to maneuver daily. For the price, it's an investment that could pay off in efficiency. Now, if the weight of the Vever bothered you, let's check out something lighter that still packs a punch. Product number 4, Garvitech Portable Milker. Coming in at number 4 is the Garvitech Portable Cow Milking Machine, priced at $295.97. This unit promises to revolutionize your milking efficiency and is perfect for those who manage multiple cows. If you want a machine that can handle the workload while being gentle on the animals, this is worth a serious look. With a powerful 550W motor and a pulsation rate of 60 to 80 per minute, you can expect quick and efficient milking. The adjustable vacuum system mimics the natural calf-sucking rhythm, ensuring a stress-free experience for your cows, which is crucial for maintaining high milk production. This machine also features a 25L stainless steel bucket and a closed-loop system, keeping your milk fresh and uncontaminated. One thing that surprised me is how user-friendly it is, designed for easy setup and operation. However, a few users mentioned that it sometimes struggles with very shy cows, which can be a downside. But here's the thing. If you're already experienced in handling livestock, this might not be a significant issue for you. This is perfect for you if you're running a bigger farm and need something that can handle high volumes efficiently. Skip this one if you're only milking 1 or 2 cows at a time. For the price, it offers excellent value for serious dairy farmers. Lastly, if the weight and performance of the Garvitech sound good, you might also want to consider a more budget-friendly option. Product number 5, YPSLZY 3L Portable Milker. Finally, we have the YPSLZY 3L Portable Cow Milking Machine, priced at just $117.99. This one is particularly appealing for smaller farms or household use. If you need something compact and easy to use, this is definitely worth a serious look. Despite its smaller size, it features a pulsation cycle of 40 to 46 times per minute, which can still save you a lot of time. The 3-liter capacity makes it ideal for milking and transporting smaller quantities of milk, and it includes a rechargeable battery for added convenience. The health and safety materials used are also top-notch, with food-grade silicone and stainless steel ensuring your milk is safe and clean. However, the 3-liter capacity could be a drawback for larger operations, as you may need to refill more often. But honestly, for small farms or home use, this could actually be a positive, since it's lighter and easier to manage. This is perfect for you if you have a small farm or just a few cows and want something budget-friendly. Skip this one if you're milking a larger herd and need more capacity. For the price, it's hard to beat the value you're getting here. In conclusion, all 5 of these machines offer unique features tailored to different needs. Whether you're after portability, efficiency, or advanced technology, there's a milking machine here for everyone. To wrap up, we've looked at 5 different cow milking machines. The Hontop 12L Pro for those wanting efficiency, the Hontop 12L Classic for simplicity, the Vever Electric for power, the Garvitech for high-volume operations, and the YPSLZY for budget-conscious users. Depending on your specific needs, any of these could make your milking routine much easier and more effective.